First exit, follow the road.
Do I put my indicator on for that?
Nah, following the road.
Yeah,
Because first exit
I
left, you
remember
can
you
pick up on it,
saying.
yeah.
I think I can do this in third.
I think you can. 100% happy?
Yeah.
The closer you get, the more you see down the road as well. So there's
Yeah.
tipping. It's just getting that tipping point where it gets to a stage where I'm that close, I'm see that far, I can now take it. The thing I don't like about some driving instructors, go when it's clear. It's all very well, it's always clear.
Yeah.
But just how clear?
Yeah, how clear?
Is it? And you've got to see far enough down the road to... Oh, you're going to go for the overtake?
Am I?
You're going to go for the overtake?
Do you think I've gone into the wrong gear?
No, it's overtake, okay.
Do I indicate?
Yeah, of course you do. Check your mirrors, huh?
I did.
Yeah. Now, this is a shared overtaking lane. I'm not the biggest fan of this road because they've got as much right to this road
Yeah, as we do.
as we have there.
Yeah.
So
So surely that could easily have a collision.
can do.
Yeah.
It's always that one there.
Okay.
Right, third exit, follow the road. Which lane are you taking with that instruction?
This one.
What's that mean?
Right one.
No,
Inside
follow
lane.
the road. No.
Oh. Go third, follow the road.
Did I say third exit, follow the road, or did I say third exit right?
You said third exit, follow the road.
Yeah.
And I'm going to go. Is that okay?
But people say, but it's over at 12 o'clock. There's no such thing as a
Yeah,
12
no, that's what
o'clock
confused me
rule.
because that's what I learned.
There is no such thing as a 12 o'clock rule.
And I'm going to look down here. Yeah.
If you can go through the highway code and find the 12 o'clock rule, I'll give you free lessons for life.
There isn't one, I guess.
There isn't one. So literally, that's the main road to the main road. In fact, it's there or there. It's kind of irrelevant. So that's the main road following the road. Two to the left is turning left off the road. The one to that side is turning right off the road. So you'll be on that side.
Where am I going now?
Second exit, follow the road. So you'd think the left-hand side, but look at the paint. Look at the paint. Look at the paint. Look at the paint.
Oh,
look at
so
the
I'm on
paint.
the wrong
Yes.
already.
So you'd normally go that side. You'd normally go that side. However,
The road side.
the road markings that you need to pick up on have told you, no, that's the lane for following the road.
Yeah.
Isn't it an education, Desborough?
It is. It's very confusing. Just basically, in general, of the story, look at the road and the signs.
Take the information.
Take the information.
There's enough information there to ensure that you can do it safely. Otherwise, there'll be accidents here, there, and everywhere.
Yeah.
It could be, Desborough. Stop.
Sorry.
Now we go.
Okay, completely clear.
There's so much.
But they weren't actually. Yeah.
There's so much as an atom left on that. You're not going to go. Well, it's not going to work out.
Well, is that a serious fault?
I don't know. Best way of finding out is don't
do
it. Stop talking about the driving test. Focus on driving safely for life. The test will pass itself. How many times have I had this conversation with you?
I know.
I take you as an intelligent person.
Yeah, I'm slightly intelligent.
Slightly intelligent. I think you're brighter than you let all appear.
Do you think?
Yeah.
Some people say they think I put it
I
on
reckon
sometimes.
you're deceptively clever, but you can going side by side, joining. Okay, second exit, follow the road. I'm already looking down there for information on what the traffic's doing.
I was.
I'm keeping an eye on that blue car because that will be coming across. Look at these road positioning. Where they're going to go. Oh, and magically, we read the road, didn't we? Can we follow it in behind? Yes, we can. Well done.
Go to the corners, I want down there.
I'm loving your driving. Full seriousness.
Yeah. What's the speed limit? 30.
No, what did we do? What did it come to when we came off the road? It went to 40, didn't it?
Right.
On the way. And it hasn't changed.
What gear am I in?
I want you to be in third. There you go. Second exit, follow the road. So every road you leave, every road you start, there's been no change of speed, so it's still 40. That's part of looking around.
I'm going.
Okay, so there's been no changes of speed, has there?
Nope.
Looking down there. Good. Now look, coming off the road, what is the speed limit? Have a look.
30.
There you go. Establish the speed limit.
She's getting there.
She's getting there. Right, it's first go. Yeah, find a way to turn the car around then. Right. Do it farmer style. There we go. There we go. Oh God, no, not that. That bit was a bit. No, refrain from.
Where are we driving?
Just drive to the shadows. Our t-shirt.
You and me, but mostly.
Yeah.
I'm hot now.
It's a message to my students.
Yeah.
I passed my test. Yes, you and me. But mostly me. No, it's not. I'm joking. It's from Book of Mormon musical.
Not a clue. Not a
Go and see it. You'd love it. Down in the
Book
West
of
End.
Mormon?
Yeah.
What's Mormon?
Mormon's a religion in America.
Oh yeah. I did think that, but then I thought
It's written by the people that did South Park.
Oh, I love
It's
South
very.
Park.
If you watch it, you think this is completely South Park on stage.
Love that.
It's very funny. Very. Some of the humour
you
is
watched-
very close. I've seen it about 7 times. Right, signal and well, should check the blind spot. Well done.
She's off.
You must be quite good with blind spot checks in a tractor on the road.
Yeah,
you've got to be really careful.
Yeah.
You're a big old lump, aren't you?
Yeah.
Tractor I'm talking about.
I was gonna say. God, I'm on a diet.
So am I. Right, big old unit.
And also, my gator hasn't got mirrors, so I'm always like.
Well, it's great.
Like,
so it's really.
out.
I mean, what you've done on the agricultural stuff is really great preparation for coming out.
I would indicate.
Yeah.
National speed limit.
Do you have a TikTok profile name?
India Drury.
Is it?
India Drury.
So can I use that one and put the posters in?
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. That confused me. Addington's.
Find you a nice man, shall we?
Yeah. Big
You'll be
hunky
beating
farmer.
You'll be beating them off with a shitty stick, won't you?
I'll go.
You're on a big hunky farmer, is that what you are?
Yeah, or a rubber bear.
I've got 800 acres. How many have you got? That's a bit little.
Yeah, I hate when that fucking comes out.
So that happens, that conversation.
Yeah, it's like, but
Do
it's
people
like.
do people like a big sort of like, I've got more acres than you?
Yeah, but it's so icky. It's like I don't actually care.
Yeah.
Especially like big.
It's what you do with the acres that
Yeah,
counts.
exactly. And are you actually a good farmer? Like, are you providing good crops?
Yes, you might have a huge land, but no shitty yields.
Exactly. You just might not know how to use it.
800 is quite substantial, though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a good. I think
That's a good size.
It's good size.
What's your planted wheat? What do you do from day to day?
For me?
Just moan about it.
What about what?
Well, crops. Once you planted barley, okay, job done. Wait for it to crack. What do you have to do? Do you seeding it and harvesting it?
Work the ground?
Whilst it's growing?
Oh no, you just leave it. You just look at it.
Yeah, so it must be dead easy, fam.
Yeah, that's why we say arable farmers have it easy. That's livestock farmers. We have it hard.
Every day you have to do something.
Every day, and then a sheep drops dead on you because they just like to die.
Perhaps don't have animals then.
No, I love animals.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Do you get upset when you send them to slaughter?
No.
Alright, okay.
So I just think about that nice juicy burger.
Give him the money.
Yeah, and the money. When I like first started farming, like when I was like actually getting like really into it, like it used to make me upset. But then now I see the money coming in.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is why we do it. And also we do it because it's a lifestyle. We love it, and we give them a good life.
Choose a better gear.
Road's really busy and it's really stressing me out.
Is it stressing you out?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can't think straight.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Okay.
No entry.
Yeah, where are you going to go then?
Is that why you started putting your foot on the thing?
I was getting ready to stop you going down the wall. No, oh, yeah, too right I was.
I was just reading it. I was thinking, oh, what does that say?
Oh, well done.
It says no entry. And then I was going to go.
Oh, well spotted.
I was looking at where I could go.
Yeah, done well. That catches a few people out, that does.
Yeah, it does. That was. Oh, is that on the test?
This is the test route, yeah.
Oh my god.
So you have to keep your... So the fault would be failing to respond to road designs.
Yeah.
Now at the roundabout, take the second exit and follow the road. Notice how the planning board is straight up, but geographically it's over there. So it's implying you're following the road, so I wouldn't have a right signal on here.
So second exit.
Second exit, follow the road. I'd take the second exit, follow the road, rather than second exit right. Because that's like the main road. It just so happens to go past 12 o'clock, so what? The planning board is telling you it's kind of following the road. So you come in here with a right signal, it's more likely people think you're doing a UE, you see. Following distances.
Sorry.
Tires and tarmac. That's better. That's what distance would be, wouldn't it? Okay, so we're turning right. Where are you going to stop with the box junction then?
Here.
No.
Ah,
No,
what do I do?
go up to the normal place. Go forwards. I'll talk you through it. Stop there. Stop. Make your point of turn. Okay. Now, box junction means you can't enter, but if you're turning right and you stop where oncoming traffic, you do stop in the box junction. Rule 174 of the Highway Code.
Right, what the hell do I do now? Just wait.
You wait. It's either going to have a gap, go back to red, or a filter light's going to come on. If a filter light comes on, you take priority, don't you? So we're waiting for a gap or the lights to change. You going to go now in front of the police?
Maybe not.
No, maybe not. Are we going to go after the police? Oh, it's gone amber. There you go.
So
That's gone red. That stops that. You take that out there. So, box junction. Say you go binary. You mustn't stop in a box junction.
Yeah.
But there is a big but on it.
If you're going right.
If you're turning right and you're kept by oncoming traffic, you don't enter. You stop in the box junction.
Okay.
The reason being is because if it goes back to Roundabout, no one's ever going to turn right. You got to, and you're stopping the traffic anyway, so you must stop it in the box junction
Yeah.
than before the box junction.
Unless like that person that overtook us. Oh, really?
Right, turning right. This is fun.
This is not fun.
No.
Right, you're indicating in, you're not.
Yeah.
The sun's in my eyes.
Yeah. So it's okay on the left, isn't it, at the moment? We're looking for a break in the traffic to the right.
I can't really see the left.
No. Okay, it's okay on the right. Right, so let's creep out a
Mm,
little bit. Hold on. You okay there? No, it's
No.
car coming now. Okay, so this position's a bit better, isn't it?
Yeah, I can see a bit
Oh,
more.
you're going left. Look, keep looking more. You just have to look left and right more often. Where are you going to go? Where's your chance coming from?
That traffic light, hopefully.
Okay. After this. What to the right? Oh no.
Oh my god, this is awful.
Oh, look, here's your chance. Look. It's gone to red lights.
Oh my god, do I go?
Well, if it's red lights, what's it going to do to the traffic?
Stop the traffic.
Yes. There you
Yeah.
go. That's your first. That was really your first opportunity then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you thought growing any rare crops?
Dad's always looking into it. He used to grow a lot of hemp, but he said it's really hard to combine.
Get away with it.
No, but he said no. Hemp's. Please tell me I've said the right one.
Yeah, hemp is basically it is marijuana based thing.
Yeah, but it's
So
not
without
got
the
the
THC
CBD.
and
Yeah.
there's other stuff in it. Yeah.
But when you harvest it, it's like apparently it's like
It's used in clothing, isn't it? Stuff like
Yeah.
that. It's used for that sort of. It's
Hard.
like doing cotton, isn't it? In the country,
Yeah.
you can't grow cotton in this country, but you
No.
can grow hemp.
exactly.
I saw your lovely nan
Love me now.
staring at the lavender as she was.
Oh, she loves that.
She didn't even have a cup of tea in the hand. She was sat there just looking.
I know, bless her.
So I said, "Oh, she's doing ever so well." I said to her, and she goes, "I know." She told me she's doing brilliantly.
Oh, I'm a
You're
bit
not playing your own
gothic.
trumpet there, is there?
I'm just a bit.
I'm doing brilliant.
I was like, she was like, how you going? I was like, yeah, Pat, I'm doing really well.
You're doing really well. Double to teach.
She said, well, you just got to get out those habits.
Oh yeah. Popping along at 5.
Everything's rushed.
Come to this. Come this one. We're going left. We're going left. We're not going to go left. We're going towards corner.
Oh, look at this roundabout.
What about it?
Isn't this the 5? Where's the one in Kettering that's got like 5 lanes? Is there one? Is there not? Maybe I've dreamt that.
Yeah, maybe.
Which am I
Keep
saying
going.
in this
Keep going.
lane?
It's green light. Yeah, we are.
No.
You've chosen the lane. We're going to go. These 2 lanes are going to go around there. So you see where it's going? It's going from there to there to there. So you're just going to follow the way around.
I feel like
So once the roundabout's got traffic lights on, it's not really a roundabout anymore, is it?
I'm not far enough.
No, it's looking forward to it. Can't do it.
Howdy donkey at the back.
So I mean, once it's got traffic lights, it's no longer a roundabout. It's just stop and follow the road.
Yeah, I find these easier.
Well, it is. That's why they put them in. But the traffic lights seem to make it difficult, and more dangerous. I know
Yeah.
that'll screw people up for test.
Traffic.
So it's a skill you have to learn. Look at those clouds. Look, that's rain clouds.
Oh my god, no.
It is, isn't it?
Please.
They're building. ChatGTP.
If it's right,
If it's right, that is amazing. Just
That
took a
is
photograph of
amazing.
the sky. Go tell me the weather. Woo. Oh, this breeze is so nice, isn't
I
it?
was just going to say I'm really
Oh.
loving this.
I'm loving this.
Last night was so nice with that. It like really picked up the wind. I
Yeah.
was just sat in the garden like I'm loving this.
Yeah. You know what? I think he's going to develop into storm clouds.
I really, really hope you're right.
There's enough moisture in the air, you can feel it. So there's enough for it to.
Oh my god, why am I doing it so slow? It's like I'm being sorry.
Hey, Richard.
I'm being like my feet are like really like feel really light.
Really? Coffee.
It's a coffee.
It's coffee.
With dancing feet on.
Oh no!
Oh my god, I feel like it's gonna rain.
I think it's going to rain. I said it's going to rain.
Yes.
I am so.
I'm excited.
Yeah, tell you what.
Oh, they redone this road.
They have. This is
Lovely.
pothole. This was pothole hell.
It's lovely.
This is amazing. I'm going to bring my bike down here.
Oh, yeah.
Look at this, sweepy corners.
Oh, yeah,
Brand
you
new
put your
stuff.
knee to the floor on this.
That's too right.
Found you another road.
I'll be honest with you. Suzuki-shaped hole in there. Do you know what's happened?
I'm like, oh, Dad, that's
Like,
Richard.
ah! It's not funny, is it?
No.
Which is so
Now, would
nice.
I go down a gear?
Yeah, speed and gear before the steer, power it through the other side.
Woo!
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.